Pesa, which means soybean ceremony, is a project implemented by Catholic Relief Services in 3 regions, namely Morogoro, Rovuma, and in Njombe. We have an approach called 5 skills approach, which includes organizing farmers and training them in finance, record keeping, marketing, production, and innovation.
Soybean in Tanzania has huge potential in terms of the market. One of the challenges, the production is very low or poor technology the farmer used to grow soybeans. And so we have the challenge with the seed in terms of the varieties. So the project is to help farmer really to improve the technology that will enhance production.
The partners are organizing the farmers in saving and internal lending communities where they can save the finance they have, and through the savings they can take loans which will help them to buy inputs and increase production for their soybean. All these efforts will be meaningless if we cannot find market for this soybean. So Soya Pesa have been working with the farmers to build their capacity to be able to aggregate the soybean they produce and sell it in bulk. Through the aggregation, they've been able to capture interest for different buyers in the country and outside the country in the region.
As a market, we are very much interested in the issues of reliability, of price and supply. Essentially, we use this product for the manufacture of TSP, which is texturized soya protein. And in this, we use about 70% of our cost of sales as soybeans, and therefore is a very, very critical project for us.
Soya Pesa is an important project to enter Africa because it's helping us to reach many farmers with their improved legume technologies. Also because it has a very good network of local partners on the ground. It is working around the whole soybean value chain, bringing together traders, bringing together input suppliers, and as well as farmers.
As N2 Africa coordinator in the 11 countries where N2 Africa is operating, I'm very impressed by what I've seen in Tanzania in terms of the way they are organized, the partnership which is put in place, and effectively I've been able to see what they are doing on the ground. I've been able to go through many countries, and I think this is a very good example of how to work with partners, and we hope as we move forward we have learned a lot of lessons which we would want to apply in other countries to make sure this project really delivers what we are supposed to deliver in terms of improving legume productivity in Africa.
One of the main challenge that we are facing in implementing the Soya Pesa project is lack of seed and also inoculants. There are no registered varieties in the country which are viable and productive. We have imported and tested some varieties. So what we ask now for going forward, what we ask from the government and whoever is interested in the development of this sector is to register these varieties as quickly as possible so that farmers would be able to access seeds and inoculants in a timely manner.